Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel for another one of my Cararama videos in which I'm gonna show you another sports car. In this video we're gonna see the Mazda RX-8. The Mazda RX-8 is, in my opinion, a very cool sports car, very interesting. It has a rotary engine, and the way the doors open creates a much more space to get in and out of the car. It comes in many colors. I like this color because it's very unusual, and it gives the car a very cool appearance. And now, without further ado, let's take it out of the box and check it out. At the back of the car, you can see the Mazda emblem on the left, as well as RX-8 on the right, and the Mazda logo in the middle. The license plate has RX-8 on it. The model has two-tone, red and black interior color. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end for my Cararama Mazda RX-8 video. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you're looking to buy this awesome Mazda, I'll leave a link for you down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.